There's a beautiful Urdu शायरी which says, अपने मन में डूब कर पाजा सुरागे जिंदगी, अपने मन में डूब कर पाजा सुरागे जिंदगी, तू अगर मेरा नहीं बनता न बन, अपना तो बन. I'm not in Lucknow, so I have to be. So therefore, is an अपने मन में डूब कर, go into your life and पाजा सुरागे जिंदगी. The recipe how to life is in your life, in your feeling. If your girlfriend is not mine, तू अगर मेरा नहीं बनता न बन, अपना तो बन. Be yourself. Why girlfriend I fell in love? Are you getting, sir? See, if you, this is practical Vedanta now. Simply Atma, Paramatma, and then nothing will happen to you. Your love should transform, sir. Your love should transform. When your love transforms, then you know, सितारों में आप, हवा में आप, धूप में आप, छाया में आप, मोहब्बत का नजर से देखो कि हर तरफ आप ही आप. When your love goes to that, sir. But our love is not going to that level. And our love is only like. Our love has not become, like has not transformed into love. Like has to become love, and love has to become bhakti. That is the height of love. And that is the jnanagni. So therefore, vichara shuddhi, bhava shuddhi, vak shuddhi. That's a fire in vak, sir. In words is fire. Have you seen some people when they talk, hot potatoes drop down? And have you seen some people like wake and they talk, Arey, you will be awake. उठ जाग मुसाफिर बोल बई रे जो सोवत है वो खोवत है वो जागत है वो पावत है उठ जाग मुसाफिर. They'll wake you up. They'll wake you up, sir. So the word, therefore the Veda says, Jihwa me madhumattama. Jihwa means the tongue. When you speak, madhumattama, honey will flow down. ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा कोई औरन को शीतल करे आपहु शीतल होई. That is the Agni in Vak, sir. Right? So Vak Shuddhihi. Right? Sharira Shuddhihi. The body has to be purified. Ayurveda, etc. talks of purifying. Vata, Kapha and Pitta. But still, sir, body has to purify means, first, what is the definition of asana? What is the definition of asana? Sthira Sukha Asanam. It should be sthira. Please, all of you sit down properly, no? Like a pajama, you sit down. Everything to sthira. Sukha means what? Happy. Sit down happily now. Yes or not? Yes. I am practicing yoga. Shuddhis are there in you, sir. Then you will understand the Paramarthika Satta, which I have no time to explain now. The ultimate reality. And Vedanta talks of Vyavahara Satta, your daily reality. And it also talks of Pratibhasika Satta, your subjective reality. It's called Rajju Sarpanyaya. There is a rope, you mistake it a snake. And he gets scared. You snake. Alright, there's only rope. It's called Pratibhasika. Vedanta says remove the Pratisaka. But Vyavahara nali ondide. Everything is God. That doesn't mean to say everything is God. The neighbor's wife also is your wife. My wife is my wife, neighbor's wife is my wife. No. Vyavahara ide. Vyavahara nali your wife is your wife, neighbor's wife is neighbor's wife. Vyavahara Satta. Alright. But Paramarthika Satta nali everything is one. 3 levels of reality: Paramarthika, Vyavaharik, and Pratibhasik. You will understand this only and only and only when Panchashuddhis have taken place. Or else you will not. You will only get words. Sir, I'll say this and end my talk. Alright, I'll say this in my talk. What is the difference between prose and poetry? What is the difference between all our words, you know? But words, I'll say a beautiful shairi which explains, alright, share, which says, share means poetry, alright, in Urdu. Share में बंदिशो अल्फाज काफी नहीं है. In a poetry, bandisho means compositions and alfas means words. In a poetry, words and compositions, kafi nahi hai, it is not enough. शेर में बंदिशों अल्फाज काफी नहीं है, जिगर को खून चाहिए असर के लिए. A little blood from your heart is needed to create poetry. Zigar ka khoon means little blood from your heart. So too, please understand, put a little life into your words, in your life. Learn to add life to your life. But we add only years to our life. Years to our life is aging. Adding life to your years is growing. Ask this question, are you growing up or are you growing old? Growing up is adding life to years. Growing old is adding years to life. Vedanta will help you to add life to your years, provided you take Vedanta as a discipline, not like a philosophy. Right? Philosophers have destroyed the poetry of religion. They have created walls and barriers. All right, please understand, drop this, sir. It is a discipline. And if it is a discipline, then you will see Agni everywhere, sir. Look at this flower. You will see God dancing in the flower. Because there is intelligence because of which the flower is blooming. You look at the sun, there is intelligence in which the sun is rising, sir. Your eyes are blinking, there is intelligence. All right, and if you see intelligence everywhere, that's the Agni. When you see intelligence everywhere, sir, and the discipline to see intelligence everywhere, Sutre Maniganaha Iva, that is the fire that you have to bring in your daily activities of life. Not philosophizing, not theorizing, but really as a discipline. In your very listening, there must be a fire. In your perception, there must be a fire. And then you will find he gives not the best who gives the most, but he gives the most who gives the best. If I cannot give bountiful, yet I will give freely. And what I lack in my hand, I'll supply it with my heart. For the heart of education is the education of the heart. All right, and therefore please take Vedanta as this. Vedanta means Vedasya Antavagaha Vedanta. The end portion of the Veda is Vedanta. All right, the end portion. The first portion is Karma Kanda. And there is a connection between the first portion and the second portion. That's why Vedanta is called Upanishad. I'll say this end. The Vedanta is called Upanishad. And the first portion is connected. And Upanishad, Adi Shankaracharya so beautifully defines. Sadehe datoho visharana gati upasadanartasya upanipurvasya quip pratyayantasya rupam upanishaditi. He says, Adi Shankaracharya says, Upanishad means seated at the feet of the master. How? Please see, upa means near, ni means nischayena. You are seated near the master, definitely you are seated. And what happens? Visharanam gati avasadanam, he says. Visharam means destruction of your ignorance will take place. Gati, you will reach moksha. Of avasadana means shitirikaranam. Your samsara will go away. That is the meaning of the Upanishad. So Vedasya Antabhagaha Vedantaha. Vedanta is Upanishad. The Karma Kanda is a preparation towards Upanishad. The first portion of the Veda is Karma Kanda, which leads you to Jnana Kanda, and both of them are disciplines. Right? They are disciplined. Therefore, Patanjali says, Yogano Shasanam. It is a discipline. And if you don't listen to Vedanta as a discipline, then you will be like philosophers. 100 which theories will come. 100 theories. Buddha was same, but Hinayana, Mahayana came. Jesus was same. Catholics and Protestants and Jehovah's came. Right? Guru Nanak was the same. Right? Dash came up. Right? Then Mahavira and Trayambaka same, but then Svetambaras and Digambaras. Please see, Veda is the same. Advaita, Dvaita, Vishishtadvaita. Philosophers have divided because they have not taken it like an experience, as an explorer. If you don't do this, you will destroy the soul of religion. I wish you all the best, and God bless you all.